Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your identity on LinkedIn. So, to be specific, how you can check out other profiles and anonymously in LinkedIn. So let me show you. I'm going to be heading over to my settings, which you can find on the top right corner. I think it's just the top. And then click on visibility and then click on profile viewing options up here, and you'll see some of the options that I'm trying to talk about. And here you have three options: either you show your name and headline, or head over to private mode, which is what we want to do right now. Private mode with characteristics, yeah. But in private mode, it really is fully anonymous. Your details won't be shown, nothing about you is known, but it will also disable with your profile and erase your user history, so use it with caution. So I'm just gonna turn it back, but that is how you check, make sure no one will know that you're checking out your profile on LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.